Welcome to Jackson Duct Cleaners, where a breath of fresh air begins. Breathe easy with our certified experts, using advanced techniques to purify your air ducts. But it's not just about clean air, it's about the impact on your life. What customer says about us? 1. Our home feels fresher. 2. Jackson Duct Cleaners transformed our indoor air quality. Imagine a home where the air you breathe is as clean as the air outside. That's our mission at Jackson Duct Cleaners. Certified professionals, fast service, and your satisfaction guaranteed because your home deserves the best. Choose Jackson Duct Cleaners. For a healthier home, contact us now. Call 732-466-4778. Visit www.airductcleaningjacksonj.com. Join Contact airductcleaningjacksonj.com. Find us 630 Herman Rd, Jackson Township, NJ 08527, United States, and experience the difference.